EST.com, and the zipper, the ball can be the tension, and the team would be OSTIS. Okay? OSTIS. Then I got it way back. Hi, I'm in the news. Those are me, Dunny and Cloudy. Maybe, but I don't know. So, it's going to be Dunny and Cloudy. Or Dunny, maybe. Rainy, Dunny, or Cloudy. Or Cloudy. Or Dunny. Or tornadoes. I don't know. I'm sure tornadoes, TV pictures, or they do TTTA.com. And I'm dumping the fucking app.